Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in Ithaca, New York. Our practice focuses, concentrates on three things: traffic defense, criminal defense, and DWI defense especially. Today I want to talk to you about U.S. Supreme Court is hearing a DUI case out of Wisconsin. Now, Wisconsin, this case was a drunk driver, .22 BAC, unconscious, and they took his blood without a warrant. So they did a forcible blood draw because they never got consent. And it went all the way to the Wisconsin Supreme Court, and Wisconsin Supreme Court validated that and said it was okay that since the driver was unconscious and he was driving a car, there's implied consent that he's going to give either a sample of his breath or a sample of his blood. But piercing someone's skin and forcible blood draws, a lot of the states are kind of all over the place in terms of whether that's a legal search or whether it's not a legal search. In Texas, they have no refusal weekends where they have judges right on call and they get a warrant immediately. But this was a warrantless search of somebody's blood. Now in New York State, if you cause an accident with serious injuries or a fatality, they can take your blood. But if they don't have that, they can't just take your blood without your consent. So the Supreme Court is going to hear this case to decide whether or not the police in all 50 states are allowed to take someone's blood, pierce their skin, and take their blood without their consent. And it's a big deal. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, I thought this was really funny. She said when she heard the case, and it's not going to be decided until June. They heard it, they're arguing it, they're discussing it in April, but it's not going to be decided until June. But Ruth Bader Ginsburg, I thought she was really funny, and she's one of the three that said, hey, what about the Fourth Amendment? She said now drivers are going to have on their windshield says, if I am found unconscious, I do not consent to give any of my blood, which I thought was pretty funny. But three of the justices have already said things that make it more probable than not that they're looking to not overturn the Fourth Amendment, which Fourth Amendment is you can't have unreasonable search and seizures. So if they do this, then they're going to allow this, what I believe to be an unreasonable search and seizure of somebody's body fluids. If you have a question about your DUI case, you can either give us a call, shoot us an email, or fill out the form on our website. We'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.